Damn! So, I want to show you guys the easiest alarm ever to install. It's an eBay alarm. I park in a lot of weird, rough neighborhoods in Florida, so this is the simplest alarm you can get. They're like 13 bucks, 500 decibels, something like that. Anyways, comes with 2 controllers. They already have batteries in them. As you can see, you push the button, they light up. It is literally this simple. Comes with a 3M double-sided tape pad, and all you do is positive, negative, and that's it. So I'll be mounting mine right here. We're gonna loosen the battery cables. I'm gonna strip a little bit of wire. I'll put them underneath there, and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like. So literally, I'm just gonna be mounting this right there, basically. So you guys can see where that's going. That's the exact spot that it will be at. I don't think I want to run it any higher. If I do, it'll be up here, but I don't want it muffled too much by the seat. So I kind of want to leave it here, and actually might put it on the battery itself because I can take that off later. Depends on where the best sound is. So I'll test things before I stick it. We'll see what it sounds like and where the best sound comes out of, because while the seat's on it, it's going to muffle things unless you have it in a good spot. So it's basically what it is. So yeah, it's pretty loud. It's all wired in now. I'm just trying to figure out the best spot I want to put it. So it's very loud. Honestly, it's a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, and then so yeah, it's loud. It doesn't take much to bump it either, so that's good. It's very sensitive. So yeah, honestly, I think here is the best spot for it, and that way we can drop all the battery wires down there and just let it hang. So that's probably what's going to happen, about like that, and then I can just feed this wire out the side down here, wherever it fits through. Should be good. Then I can put the seat back on, and we'll give it a test, see how loud it is. So let's give that a go. Actually, I don't know if I can do that right there. And the reason why is because the battery has to come out that way. Oh no, battery comes far enough forward that I can get it out. Okay, so we're good. We're good. I'll mount it there. Move it up nice and high, about right there. Shouldn't affect the seat. Seat should still go down fine. So yeah, let me mount this and shove the wires down. We'll give it another shot here with the seat on it. All right, so I'm still waiting on my new seat cover for this one again. I accidentally destroyed my other seat cover, long story, but as you can see, my bag fits over the battery still. Everything's good there, so this should just slide down, pop into place, and go down like normal. There we go. It doesn't affect anything. And so, like I said, pardon all the tape, I have to get another seat cover for this one here. The seat cover was, yeah, well, the one that I put on, the temporary one, fortunately I ripped it pretty bad. That was my fault. It's my fault. So got to get another one for it, but yeah, something a little better material. Same way I did this one is essentially how I have to do that one. So I just put a temporary seat cover over it. It did not last. This one came out perfect with the material I bought, so I got to do the same thing to this one. Either way, yeah, that's pretty loud. So yeah, it's definitely loud enough to hear it easily out in a parking lot. It's loud. It's definitely loud. So, easiest motorcycle alarm I could find that put out some decent decibels. I'll go ahead and drop a description, or put the alarm in the description link of this video if anybody wants to buy it. It was very cheap. So, yeah. So when I was removing this other seat cover to patch some of these rips that were in this seat with tape, I ended up destroying it trying to pull it back over, and accidentally got it caught on a corner and just shredded the other seat cover that I had. So unfortunately, now that I've taped this one and gotten all the little cracks and stuff sealed up, I have to wait for the new cover to come in to go over the top of this again, because there was a lot of wrinkle lines and stuff that you could see through the other cover. So yeah, my baby does not look clean like this one does right now, but at some point I will do the exact same thing I did with this one to this one and give it an official seat cover. This one's just a lot more work. This one's a pain in the ass to do this one, but I will do it because it needs to be done. So at some point I'll get to that. But there you go. That's the alarm. So leave one at the house in case you lose your alarm key, and put the other one on your key ring, and there you go. Now you got your little alarm. Sweet. Cheap. It was like 13 bucks. And yeah, you shouldn't get any water on it where it's at and located, and should deter people from trying to steal your shit. Because, yeah, I live in Florida and there's a lot of motorcycle thieves here, so it's always good to have something to bring the attention of your bike in case somebody's messing with it to the attention of others. That way people look around and go, oh shit, all right, out of here. It's time to go. So, all right, toodles.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.